The 65-meter-high waterfall Seljalandsfoss is one of many waterfalls falling down the steep former sea cliffs at Eyjafjöll. Hiking behind the waterfall gives an impression of the water power, but be prepared to get wet. Iceland is rich in water power and many rivers are utilized to produce hydroelectric energy. About 85% of total primary energy supply in Iceland is derived from renewable energy resources, hydropower 20% and geothermal energy 65%. Iceland is nearly independent from oil imports. Only 15% of the primary energy supply are provided by fossil fuels, mainly for the transport sector.